So one of the cool finds here from National Hardware Show is from Quick Dam Flood Control. Those times when you're going to have the unexpected water flowing through, and that's happening much more to us in the upper Midwest. A lot of water problems happening. I've got Seth here. Seth, tell us a little bit more about this system that I don't have to be filling sandbags.
Yeah, that's the best part, actually. So the big problem that people run into when they're filling sandbags is you have to get the sand delivered to your home. You're filling the empty sandbag, you're tying it off, and then you're placing it. With these, our bags ship flat and compact. They have a super absorbent polymer on the inside. In fact, it's the same material that's inside baby diapers. So when water hits the bag swells, gels, and absorbs into the equivalent of a 32-pound sandbag. So that's the big thing for us. So one of these bags ships flat like this, and when exposed to water, you're swelling into the equivalent of a regular sandbag, ready to stack and fend off any water control issues that you might have. The best part about these bags is actually, once the flooding has stopped, they'll take around 2 to 3 weeks to dry out. The material on the inside will get crunchy. And then what happens when the material gets crunchy is that's completely normal. Once it's re-exposed to water, it'll swell, gel, and absorb all over again, and you can get up to 8 months out of one bag.
Wow, so yeah, it's a reusable product. Very nice.
Absolutely, and so what we're trying to really preach to people is early preparedness, and the problem that people have with early preparedness is that sometimes the materials just take up way too much space. This is compact, lightweight, easy to use, and you can keep it unactivated. It has a 10-year shelf life. So you buy a box of these and keep them in your garage, or you keep them in your home. Whenever flooding comes your way, you have that peace of mind knowing that you're ready days before the storm hits.
Very nice, very nice. And they come in when you mention a box, this is a box of what, 5 of them right there?
So this is actually our indoor water dams right here. So we also cover indoor solutions as well. And,
I see, yep.
And so these cover spills, leaks, and drips right over here. It's the same technology that's in our flood bags and our flood barriers as well. So I can take you over to a box right now to see a box of 20.
Yep, let's go check that out. For those homeowners that want to see what they look like, to have that box stored downstairs.
So this right here is a box of 20 of our flood bags, and this pack of 20 will replace 640 pounds of sand.
What's a box like that cost for a person?
So this retails for $120.
Nice. So a few of them on the shelf, and you're going to be able to protect the front of the house really quick.
Absolutely.
Seth, if people want to find out more information, where can they go to find out?
You can go to www.quickdams.com, and we are in every major player right now. You can search us on Amazon. You can find us in Home Depot, Ace, True Value. We're hoping to be all over the world soon.
That sounds great. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can go check this out. But if you've got water potential problems around your house, this is a great way to be prepared.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.